G'day guys, welcome back to another update of our Newport waterfront renovations. On this particular project, the floor guys did an incredible job of the floor. Plasterers come in, finished off some work that he couldn't do until the floor was in, the stairs were in. Our carpenters have finished the fit out and done an amazing job. As you can see here, we've got the cabinet makers on site now. So they've come through and done all the carcasses, and last week we got our stone templates taken. A lot of people might not be aware, but generally from when you get stone templates taken, like on custom jobs, you can't just measure stone off of your drawings because it's custom. So like for example, this island bench here is getting completely covered in stone, like all sides, tops, all the returns, the shadow lines, everything. So we get all this put in, and then the stone guys actually come to site and they template everything. And that means they can get anything that might be out of plumb or out of level, a couple of millimeters here or there. They can scribe things into the floor. Everything is perfect. And then they take those templates away and they cut the stone. And so that process generally takes from the time they take their templates to the time they get back to site to install the stone. In the current environment is generally around the 4 to 6 weeks, so it's quite time consuming. So what we do in that time is once they get all the templates in and they're finished getting all their carcasses and all that sort of stuff, the painters then come in. So we've got the painters on site at the moment. They've sprayed out the job. They basically sealed all the walls and ceilings, and then they've gone around and started doing all their patching and prep work and filling. And now they've done that, we're now waiting for the plasterer to come in and do what we call a pre-paint. So he goes around with a light and he highlights every single little imperfection in the walls and ceilings, and they skim it and they patch it and they do whatever they need to do. And then the painter can come back and do his final coats, and that is how we get such a good job on all of our projects. So that's all happening at the moment. The tilers finished all the tiling. We've got one of our lead carpenters, Tim, working on the mantle for the fireplace. That's coming up really, really well. And we've got the roofers out. So the guttering on this project has taken forever because we're matching into an existing house that's quite old. So the roofer's done a great job of ringing around, finding old stock, and he's actually managed to find the guttering we need to match into this house. So even though it's been delayed and it's taken quite a while to do, I'm so pleased with the outcome. So to get the right profile and match, because we're not fully replacing all the guttering on this job, is a big thing. So yeah, look, all in all, everyone's doing an incredible job. Yeah, we can't do anything about this weather, so we just got to keep pushing on. And look, the whole aim of the game is to make sure we deliver all of our clients a great product. And look, sometimes it takes longer than we'd like it to, but we don't want to rush things, and we want everything to be spot on and up to our standards. So stay tuned for the next update.